Modern combat tasks require new designs and kindle introduction of new standards for firearms. One of the new stars born in the family of anti-materiel sniper rifles has become the 12.7 Orsis bolt-action sniper rifle. Not only is it designed for professionals, but the firearm is user-friendly for beginners. The new Orsis rifle features the traditional ergonomics of a high-precision bolt-action sniper firearm. The manufacturer delivers the new rifle in two calibers: the Russian standard chambered for 12.7 by 108 cartridge and STANAG 12.7 by 99. The shooting performance is really impressive. The accuracy of fire is less than 1 MOA. The use of the 7N34 12.7 by 108 sniper cartridge improves the rifle's precision to less than 0.5 MOA, providing an effective range of more than 2 kilometers. The 12.7 Orsis is an outstanding example of a new generation of high-precision anti-materiel rifles capable of solving counter-sniper tasks and engaging soft-skin and light-armored vehicles. High-quality steel lays in the basis of the rifle production. It ensures the lifelong reliability and stable accuracy of the sniper complex. The standard issue magazine holds 5 cartridges. There is a cartridge indicator on the bottom of the magazine. You will know when the magazine is fully loaded through the clear windows. The weight of the sniper complex depends on the configuration, as the rifle can be fully customized. The unloaded 12.7 Orsis rifle without scope weighs 12 kgs. The organic barrel length is 762 mm or 30 inches. The muzzle brake is adjustable, it can be customized and delivered in different lengths and configurations. Having everything ready from the box, you can control the felt recoil and enjoy comfortable and accurate shooting with high precision. For those potential operators who want to go truly custom, it is possible to tailor even the twist rate. Although Orsis makes barrels with twist rates suitable for commonly used bullet weights in their respective calibers. High-precision manufacturing ensures stable quality of the twist rate. Operators can switch to another caliber themselves by changing the barrel and bolt assembly and putting gasket for the magazine. The rifle has side-mounted M-lock and upper Picatinny rail for optical and electronic sighting systems. The sighting rail is set at an angle. This feature makes shooting at long and extremely long distances more accurate and superbly effective. The so-called third leg provides the third supporting point, dramatically improving the comfortability of aiming processes. There is an adjustable cheek rest and shoulder pad, quick detach belt and folding skeleton shoulder stock. A carrying handle at the bottom is absolutely necessary for mobility and ease of handling. The exact delivery set is unique for each custom order for professionals seeking precision and reliability. Each customer can order their own and even unique configuration of the 12.7 Orsis to meet the requirements to the full extent. The sniper rifle can be complemented with a new Dedal Smart Scope featuring integral ballistic calculator, data processor and a display with a customizable user interface. Indeed, this is a truly unique weapon for special missions. Due to the fully customizable configuration and unprecedented manufacturing quality, the 12.7 Orsis demonstrates extremely high accuracy combined with sheer lethal effect at long ranges. It could be compared with a surgery knife, the same precision of operations with high effectiveness. Send us your request for information to receive detailed specifications and to order a live demonstration of the 12.7 Orsis anti-materiel sniper rifle. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.